Wow, look how big this garden is. In every direction we got roses from the gazebo. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Hamilton, Canada at the Royal Botanical Garden. This is the national garden here in Canada. We've never been here and I can't wait to go check it out. You ready, babe?
I'm ready for the garden. Hamilton, the city, I don't like it. I'm sorry for this. I thought all Canada it's beautiful. Hamilton is one of the city I don't like, but I'm sure the botanical garden is something different. And we're gonna go see it, and then we're gonna take on the trip to Ottawa.
So the first place we found is Camilla and Peter Dalgish Atrium, which is bathrooms. Maybe it's on this side. So this is Hendrie Park. 12 themed garden areas. All right.
Oh, I like that.
Rose tent, Cherry Hill tent, Turner Pavilion.
Pretty.
Actually a really pretty garden. So we're actually going under the road right now.
We're going on the highway.
The highway? Yeah, whatever. It's actually a really pretty garden here. Tons of pretty wildflowers. Like a pollinator's garden. Like it's the formal approach into the garden right here. Really is a beautiful garden. It's in full bloom too. Tons of roses. I forgot what the purple ones were. Hydrangea? No, that's not hydrangea. I forgot what they were. It's a beautiful garden. I forgot what these ones were called. When they bloom, they're all nice and purple. Little fairy rose. Not quite bloomed out yet. It's lavender. Tons of volunteers helping out here. What a great way to spend, probably 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, baby, nice garden?
Yes, I like it. Can we stay here all day?
All day? Well, all we have to do after this is drive 5 hours to Ottawa. Wow, look how big this garden is. In every direction we got roses from the gazebo. So this is called the Star of Persia. It's one of the coolest flowers I think I've ever seen. It's beautiful.
So nice, and this time it's early in the morning and they have a lot of volunteers working here.
We're wandering around the garden. We found another fountain. What are those called? Elephant ears or something like that?
Yeah, and they have a lot of buildings on the map it shows. And the entrance was what, $10 per person?
19.50
per person.
Per person. For the whole garden.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
for all the rock gardens and the rose gardens and the lake and the arboretum. Not sure where we're here. Some really big pretty
the
gate.
Hendrie Gate.
Hendrie Gate. So that's the garden we're in now is the Hendrie Garden, and I guess it was the Hendrie family and Frederick designed this garden. So we found our way to the healing garden. I believe these are supposed to be all medicinal plants. Here we go for your bones, for your stomach, your digestion, heart, eyes, all sorts of different plants for different uses. Really nice informative signboards about the different families and what they're good for. Like the carrot family includes sarnies, which is supposed to be good for digestion. Ginger family. Put it to show the whole garden.
You have to put it up so you show the whole garden. Little fish. I wish the camera would record the smell. It smells so nice.
We found a little lake. Oh, I would guess there's a frog in there. Looks like a pretty natural. Cool little storyboards about the pond and the plants that live in it. You see all sorts of things moving around in there under the lily pads. Oh, there's a fishy right there.
Can you spot the fishes? Fishy.
Well, we found a cool bee box. Little boxes. Let's see, can you open this one? Oh, you can. Oh, it doesn't look like there's a lot. So these would be... Oh, there's somebody just went in. See these little holes? These are solitary bees. I think I saw somebody just go in. Oh, there he is. See the little guy up here? Let's see if there's anybody on the other side. Oh, this one got busted. Somebody broke it. That's no fun. And in front, let's see.
Everything?
Yeah, well, we're looking for the bees, but somebody broke this one.
Somebody broke the bees?
Yeah. Well, let's go on.
Spiders.
Oh, the next little garden in here is the Morse and Woodland Garden. Looks like a really nice...
This is called gyoche in Romanian. They are so cute.
Snowdrops?
And I hope we're gonna find some, yes.
So this is like the underside of a forest, like a forest canopy.
And we're here in June, and I'm sure I won't gonna find
The snow peas?
the snow peas.
Probably not the little white snow pea
But
flowers.
if somebody's coming here after the winter, it's possible to see. I never saw anywhere in America. And it's
For the most
so
part.
peaceful in here.
Yeah. Too bad it's what, like an hour from Toronto or an hour from Niagara?
Yeah, but if you are on the way, you should stop and check out this beautiful garden.
So we're in the greenhouses here at the garden. This is the Mediterranean greenhouse. Plants from the Mediterranean.
Did you see the olives?
Like an olive? That's it. Oh, which one? Yeah, there it is. There's the olive tree. Not sure what type of tree this is. All sorts of different plants from the Mediterranean. I love walking in these greenhouses. It's sort of interesting. Like a little baby pomegranate. There we go. We got some olives on an olive tree. And I'm not sure what these little berries are. I didn't know there was a Mediterranean type of eucalyptus. This one looks more like a brush than a tree. Some lantana. Bottle brush. Oh, I found this girl sitting down on a bench here relaxing. Alright, from the Mediterranean greenhouse to the cactus display here. Always neat to look at, but I always prefer the flowers over the cactuses and the succulents. No, you can't. That's why it says restricted area.
Oh, if you touch that one, you're dead.
Yeah, I like to fall on him. Alright, we're done with this part of the Royal Garden. This was the Botanical Garden. Now we're going to go, your ticket, which was $19.50, includes this garden, the Laking Garden, and the Rock Garden. You can walk in between them, but they're a little bit far apart and you just end up walking on busy roads. So we're going to drive over there.
Yeah, and you can go to the Arboretum too with the tickets we have, but she said it's an additional $10 for parking. So we're gonna take the lake, see the lake.
Yeah, Laking Garden.
Laking Garden,
and the Rock
then
Garden.
We're gonna go to the Rock Garden. We did make into the Royal Botanical Garden, the Laking Garden, and it's only with the car you can make it from the other garden, and from here you can go to the rock and it's the same thing. And we got the red chairs. While we're in Canada, we're supposed to have the best view. So let's see, is this the best view?
Hey baby, best view in all of Canada? No. Absolutely beautiful planted garden. We're still getting in the perennials for the year.
So as you see, here's Royal Botanical Garden, and it's pretty.
So here at the Laking Garden, what they're known for is their iris garden. And all of this is all irises. Not very often you see a whole section of a garden dedicated to irises. And just to the side they have the rose garden. Oh no, these aren't roses, are these? These are peonies. So pretty irises. I always love the purple ones, these dark purple ones. Really pretty. Here we are, we're in the Rock Garden, part of the Royal Botanical Garden here in Canada. This is a little map, we just walked in. It doesn't look too big, so we're gonna go explore and see what we find. It's actually a proper garden. I wonder why they call it Rock Garden. I was expecting to see a bunch of rocks.
Yeah, me too.
Well, that says lower garden, so let's say up high first, right or left?
Left.
Okay. So we're in the lower rock garden here. It's beautiful little pond, waterfall. Beautifully manicured foliage all over.
Pretty, yeah. This is the lower part of the garden. You can go inside in the middle of the island over there. Not too many people, but we're lucky to have a beautiful lake.
You enjoying the garden? It's a really peaceful, relaxing garden. The water feature and all the birds, the flowers. The only thing I would change, mosquitoes.
Yes, and how Would you do that?
I don't know.
So baby, which garden would you pick between the three of them? If you have to see just one?
I like this one because of the water.
Because of the water? He likes this one and I like the roses. So come on over and look at all three of them. While you pay $20 for the three of them, just go look for.
Yeah, they're all worth seeing.
Yes, they're all beautiful. And you can see they're always clean them, and you know, they have volunteers. And
Beautiful garden. It should be. It's the national garden, the royal garden.
Yeah, very
It's
pretty.
supposed to be the best garden in all of Canada. Alright, so we're going to keep taking the garden path towards the upper garden. There's two different types of garden paths in the rock garden. There's the handicap accessible, the ADA pass, and there's also little twisty turny rock staircases between to get you up and down. But we're taking these paths because, well, there's a lot of mosquitoes when you're on those little paths. Yeah, like that little rock path up there. But we're taking the main one. Alright, so we're just leaving the rock garden. We're gonna get ready to start taking our 5.5 hour drive up to Ottawa. We did find out why it's called the Rock Garden. This used to be a limestone rock quarry, and during the Great Depression, the city sort of came together to turn the old rock quarry into a garden.
And they make a
Beautiful garden.
Yeah, they did a good job. So we do recommend to come see, visit all these three gardens.
All of them. They're all the Royal Botanical Gardens are absolutely beautiful.
So now we're gonna close the movie over here because we have 5.5 hours to go
to Ottawa. And I don't think our drive is going to be that nice, but if we find anything cool, we'll make sure to show you guys. Bye.